Hello everyone. Here I am going to discussing about two-dimensional arrays. Two-dimensional array. One D array variable store a list of variables only, but there could be a situations where a table of values has to be stored which need 2D array. For example, periodic table, and next one is sales information of a company, and next one is data in spreadsheets, etc. The 2D array in C programming is known as matrix. A matrix can be represented as a table of rows and columns. A particular value in a matrix can be accessed by using two subscripts as V of ij. Here V denotes the entire matrix, that means matrix name, and Vij refers to the value in the ith row and jth column. An array of arrays is known as 2D arrays. Here is the syntax for 2D arrays. Type space array name, row size column size, semicolon. This is the syntax for 2D arrays. 2D arrays are stored in memory as shown below. Here row 0 means 0th row and 0th column. I can place 310 as first element, and 0th row first column means 275 can stored in this element. So I can store row 0, row 1, column 0, column 1, column 2. Like that, we can store 2D arrays. Initializing 2D arrays. Like the 1D arrays, 2D arrays can be initialized by following the declaration with a list of initial values enclosed in braces. For example, int table of 2 of 3 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. That means 2 rows, 3 columns. Initialize the elements of the first row to 0 and second row to 0. The initialization is initialize the elements of the first row to 0 and second row to 1. The initialization is done by row by row. The above statement is equivalently written as int table of 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 by surrounding the elements of each row by braces. Next, we can also initialize a two-dimensional array in the form of matrix as shown in below. Int table of 2, 3, that means 2 rows, 3 columns. Here within the braces 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Here 2 rows, 3 columns. When the array is completely initialized with all values explicitly, we need not specify the size of the first dimension. That is, the below statement is permitted. Here int table of, I cannot mention any row size, but I can mention column size. So here I can take 2 rows and 3 columns, but this is also acceptable. Next, if the values are missing in the initialize, they are automatically set to 0. For example, I can take 2 rows, 3 columns. Here I can take only 3 values. Remaining 3 values will be zeros. We initialize the first 2 elements of the 2 row to 1, the first element of the second row to 2, and all other elements to 0 when the elements are to be initialized to 0. The following shortcut method may be used. Int m of 3 rows, 5 columns is equal to 0, 0, 0. The first element of each row is explicitly initialized to 0, while other elements are automatically initialized to 0. Multi-dimensional arrays. C allows arrays of 3 or more dimensions. The exact limit is determined by the compiler. Syntax for multi-dimensional array is type space array name, subscript 1, subscript 2, and so on, subscript n, where Si is the size, where Si is the size of the ith dimension. Example, int a of 333. Here first subscript, second subscript, third subscript. Int b of 543. These two are the examples of multi-dimensional arrays. Here is the how elements are placed in multi-dimensional array. Here I can take 3 rows, 3 columns. So it can be placed like this only. Next, program to add 2 matrices. That means example for 2-dimensional array. Here I can take A matrix, B matrix, and resultant matrix is C. I can add the A and B matrix and resultant will be stored in C matrix. I can take maximum sizes for A and B and C matrices are 5, 5, 5. Here, what is the condition for matrix addition? Both the rows are equal and both the columns are equal. In that situation, only matrix addition is possible. Otherwise, matrix addition cannot be possible. Here I can take row 1, column 1, row 2, column 2 as 2, row size is 2 and column size is 2. I can read the row size and column size by using scanf 2, 2, 2, 2. Here if 2 is equal to 2 and 2 is equal to 2 is equal to 2. Condition is true, then matrix multiplication, matrix addition is possible. Here I can read the elements first. First I can read A matrix elements and then B matrix elements. For I is equal to 0, I less than R1 means first matrix rows, I plus plus. Every time I will be incremented by 1. For J is equal to 0, J less than C1 means column for first matrix and then J will be incremented by 1. Here enter the elements using scanf. First elements can be placed in A of 0, 0 position and next elements A of 0, 1 position. Next 1, 1, 0 position, next 1, 1 position. Like that matrix addition will be read. Like that only matrix B elements can also be read. Here addition part. For I is equal to 0, I less than R1, I plus plus. For J is equal to 0, J less than C1, J plus plus. For first matrix, I can take 1, 2, 3, 4 values and second matrix also I can take 1, 2, 3, 4 values. What is the value of A of 0, 0? 1, A of 0, 1, 1, A of 1, 0, 2, A of 1, 1, 3. Like that. C of Ij. What is the value of Ij? 0, 0 is equal to A of Ij means A of 0, 0. What is the value of A of 0, 0? 1 plus B of 0, 0. B of 0, 0 value 1. 1 plus 1. 2 will be stored in C of 0, 0 value. Next, J is equal to 1. 1 less than 1. Condition false. Then it goes to loop. Like that the addition matrix will be performed. Here I can take 0, 0 value as 1, 0, 1 value as 2, 0, 2, 1, 0 is 3. This is the A matrix, this is the B matrix. The addition of 2 matrices is 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the example program for addition of 2 matrices is example of 2D array. Here another example, transpose of a matrix. Here I can take only one matrix and resultant matrix is another matrix, 2 matrices. Here only 1 rows and columns and index values. Here I can read the A matrix value 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I can interchange the rows and columns. So I can swap the matrix. Here I can transpose is of Ji is equal to A of Ij. So I can interchange the rows and columns. This is also example, one of the example for 2D array. Here I can take 2 by 2 matrix. Elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the resultant matrix? Transpose matrix is here rows and columns are interchanged. 1, 3, 2, 4 is the resultant matrix. This is also one of the example for 2D matrix. 2D arrays. Try to do it yourself. Here is the example programs. C program to find sum of all elements of each row of a matrix. Second one is C program to read a matrix and print diagonals. These are the examples you have to try. Thank you very much.